Nah, bruh, stop. How do you somehow make a gun that manages to insult 2 different cultures at once? This thing is literally the worst in every way. I don't even know where to start. The PP Bison is one of my favorite guns ever, but I know its major downside is that fat helical mag. It legit makes the gun so unwieldy. So to go and to add it to an M4 for the shits and giggles is mind-boggling. It's also weirdly shaped, so the amount of internal gearbox work as well as the external modeling needed to make this thing work is astronomical. All just to have this abomination. I swear, these airsofters be some of the most technically skilled individuals, but they throw away their time sticking a Bison mag into an M4.